21. After conducting a classroom management, which question shows concern? A. Where did you miss me? At what point? B. Everything was covered, wasn't it? C. Raise your hand for further explanation. And D. Did you get me right? So the correct answer is a letter A. Where did you miss it? Wasn't point, because it is the proper and appropriate question after discussion. Now let's proceed to the number 22. The question is, the novel, without saying the dawn, is the first novel in what particular period? A. Post-war, B. Pre-war, C. During war, or D. Martial law? The correct answer is the letter A. Post-war. Stephen Javanella is one of the prolific writer novelists for the matter in post-period. He is the writer of the novel Without Saying the Dawn. Next, number 23. Corruption in Par province is reported in the radio and TV. I don't agree with report, so I say letter A. No, it is not true. Letter B. Yes, it is true. Letter C. At time it is. Or letter D. Yes, most of the time. The correct answer is letter A. No, it is not true. Clearly, the answer is letter E, since that the rest of options started with yes, which contradict the statement I don't agree with the report. Next, number 24. After hearing a campaign commercial, a voter remarked, I am used to same tales. This means A. This is very original. B. There is nothing new in the story. C. There is miscommunication. Or letter D. This is new. The correct answer is letter B. There is nothing new story. So the statement I am used to the same tales is a common idiomatic expression. But if ever this is the first time you heard this statement, you may use the phrase used as a context clue. Next, number 25. A victim refused revenge when he uttered A. Don't take that law in your hand. B. An eye for an eye. C. Justice is always delayed. D. That's murder. The correct answer is letter A. Don't take that law in your hands, because letter B, C, and D, it has in the question the victim refuse revenge. Next, number 26. What's the meaning of this statement? History never cites a leaderless nation. Letter A. Nation can survive without leaders. Letter B. A leader can fade away but another will come up. Letter C. Leaders are always. Or letter D. Leaders are matched with historical events. The correct answer is letter D. Leaders are matched with historical events. It's mentioned things like history, match, and leader, thus making the letter D correct answer. Next, number 27. Traffic was heavy. Evan was afraid of not catching his flight, so blank with taxi cab and jumped at the door. Letter A, catch up. Letter B, caught up. Letter C, was catching. Or letter D, has caught. The correct answer is letter B, caught up. This concerns consistency on tense. The answer is letter B because clearly the sentence is the past tense and not the past progressive, because the action is not continuous. Next, number 28. The Renaissance blank when scientific discoveries state A. Sight, B. Flourish, C. And C. Commence. So the correct answer is letter D, commence. B and D is valid for correct answer, but between the two, the correct answer is commence, because the Renaissance would not take place having said the word flourish. Next, number 29. Venus is an exemplification of feminine pulchritude. means A. Plain, B. Beauty, C. Ugliness, D. Homeliness. The correct answer is letter B. Beauty. Venus is the most helpful clue here, for she is the Roman goddess of beauty. Number 30. The letter accomplished a first-rate report. The report is A. Excellent, B. Mediocre, C. Run-of-the-mill, or D. Ordinary. The answer is letter A. Excellent. First-rate has been an uttering expression excellent. You can also use the process of elimination. B, C, and D are in some ways related with each other. Make the letter A excellent is the correct answer.